Welcome friends. In the last video, we discussed what is ORCID, why we should use ORCID. In this video, we will continue on ORCID and we will learn how we can use ORCID. To open ORCID website, write in your browser www.orchid.org. So I am clicking on this link. So this is the homepage of orchid.org. So let us scroll down to see what are all there in this website. So first let us dismiss this message of cookies. So you can see there are 4 tabs: for researchers, for organizations, about and help. Then if you will scroll down, you will see that you can register using the link register now. Then you can use your grant IDs to submit various manuscripts. So this is about them. Then they are sharing some news about orchids. So let us go back. So clicking on this sign in or register, you can sign in or register. Under for organization section, so research funders can associate with ORCID to link researchers to their research and funding programs. Research organizations can take help of ORCID to reduce their time consuming process of maintaining up-to-date records, and they can provide validation step with updates from trusted sources. Then publishers can also use ORCID database to streamline the manuscript submission process, improve the management of author and reviewer databases, and improve the accuracy of name-based article in their repository. Under About section, ORCIDs give information about themselves, then who they are, whom they serve. All this information is available under About section. Then in Help section, they have shared some videos to get started with ORCID, but we don't need to go through them right now. If you wish, you can go through them later on. To go to sign in, click on researchers. So this will take you to the sign in or register page. If you already have an ORCID ID, then you can directly sign in, and for new users they have to first register under the section register now. So one can sign in using their social media account, that is using either Google ID or Facebook ID. So clicking on register now opens this form. Here you have to fill your details, your first name, your last name, then your primary email ID. Then you have to choose your password, in which there should be at least one number, one letter, and it should be of 8 or more characters. So choose password of your choice. Then you can choose any of the visibility settings, that is you can open it for everyone, anyone can see your profile, or you can open for just trusted parties, or you can keep the account private for yourself. Then you have to select terms of use, you have to check it, and then you have to click on I am not robot, and then click on register. Clicking on register opens this page. ORCID gives the name of all the accounts which are already existing in ORCID database, that are with the same name that matches to your name, which means you may already have created an ORCID ID before. So instead of creating a new ID, you can choose one of these IDs if they are yours. Otherwise, you can click on the option none of these are me and continue with registration. This is the home page of your account. Here you will see all your informations. You can edit them, and you can add your data.